Hello, my name is Mike and this is my 27-foot trimaran I'm refitting and rebuilding to use as a research vessel on the Baltic Sea, Isle and Mediterranean Sea. So follow me along if you want to see how this thing turns out in the end. Well, today we are in the apartment, and as I said in the last video, I cleaned the gas tank. Now it's no crud anymore, it's super clean from the inside. Maybe I can find a way to make a video so you can see the inside actually, but it's super clean. Also the gas tank, the gas cap and everything looks good. These are all hinges and the old lock found. They were all corroded, rusty and had patina. Cleaned them up in the same solution, citric acid with cooking water, like really hot water. Let sit for 2 hours, not longer. Because for example, this one sit longer than 2 hours, and you can tell because it's kind of like has a pink hue. It's a chopper in the brass that is trying to come out. Also this one, and the screws, they're still drying. Things are drying. Anyhow, this is looking good. We'll install it in the engine and all. The doors are kind of drying. I just painted them. I just finished this side. It needs to dry now. Then I will do the other side. Remember, the bottom part will be hinged, so I can open the door fully. And I built something here. I'm gonna try to show you. It's basically 2 pieces of wood where I drilled holes on this side and this side, so they will kind of lay like this. Okay, and this will be behind the door, and so you have a drying rack on the behind the door, and then the front of the door will be a mirror for the bathroom. So yeah, let's continue at the boat. Okay, today we're going to do the rest down here, and maybe we start with the windows. So I'm gonna tape the window first and kind of make everything kind of clean. Also clean this out and behind this, so I will probably wash all that, give it a good rinse, let it dry, and then this time I will do the window taping, and then I'm gonna paint it, I guess. I got the vacuum from home, and yeah, it should be fast. Okay, I was thinking, since this is kind of clean, I'm gonna clean all this out. Maybe get the cushion clean for home. Maybe take it home, get it some air for a few days. Then I don't need to worry when I paint this, because this is gonna be white as well, so I don't mind. And I can also see what's underneath here, because I don't know what's underneath there. So might be some hidden treasure in there, but for now I'm gonna put all the things in here. There's enough space, I guess, and then we see together what's inside, you know. Okay, now it's almost everything cleaned. I will install the side things, give them a quick clean, and install them so they are out of the way, and I have a little bit of shaving, because I don't think I will. I mean, I can cover them if I paint here. Yeah, I can. I think, yeah, and then it needs a big cleanup in here. Okay, let's do that. Look at that, we have a shelf. That is quite good. We need to clean it. It's looking good. I mean, that screw, I don't know. I will need a different screwdriver for that one. So let's do the other side as well. But I will be on silent for that, because I think that is boring enough for you. Come on. Hey, it's looking good, eh? Gonna clean that later when I clean the toilet. Yeah, also need to remove this, but I do when I have the mattress out. No, it's good, eh? Okay, let's see. The mattress is outside. We have now a clean big space. And we have actually less storage than expected. I expect this to be flotation, I guess. I guess so. Yeah, I mean, oh, okay, that was really dumb, but I guess it's flotation. Let's see inside. Nothing. Well, 2 dead flies, but nothing else. Let's see. That is glue from the liner. Okay, and here, nothing. Okay. I expected that kinda, because putting out the mattress every time is kinda like ugh. Well, I'm gonna clean now, and then we see how far we'll get along today. Okay, I'm sorry for the noises, the little camera being kind of broken. First we're gonna clean that because that has so much fiberglass dust and it's kinda not good for your health. So let's remove that first. You see that? That is absolutely different. That is amazing. Super happy about that. Okay, we're gonna go and lay down here and look for moldy spots. You follow me, please. Okay, I mean you guys can see something that I don't because I'm not okay, I don't know. I don't think that is mold. This is glue. That's the same corner. This is where the rod wire is connected. And the is it to shelf? No, it's fiberglass. Oh, I thought that was like a 2-shell construction where the upper shell is molded and the upper shell is molded and the lower shell is molded and then put together, but it's solid fiberglass here. Yeah. Yeah, it is though. Oh, that is super good. That is actually super amazing. Okay. I'm gonna try to clean these spots because I don't know what they are. And they don't look like mold to me, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna put you somewhere else though because I can't film like that. Look at that water, that's disgusting. Okay, let's see. Oh, we have fly in here. Beautiful. Just do. I mean, now it's dry. We'll do 1 coat. I don't have much paint left. That will be okay. Okay, I think we started to paint the V-berth and we finished the shelving, but the paint is empty, so I need a new bucket, but I guess like 2 cans of paint, maybe 3, and the boat will be done. I maybe need to do a little bit more here, and as you can see there's kinda not enough pigment on some spots. I don't know. maybe like some corners like this one and here, like. But Allah, it's starting to look really, really good. Well, I think that is, yeah, big difference. So I think next time I'm gonna paint the inside of that, and then maybe the black things also. I don't know. But I think that's enough for today, and yeah, thank you for watching. And if you have any suggestions or any comments or any helpful things, please put them down in comments. And remember, I'm still looking for a hedge. So if someone in the area of North Rhine-Westphalia or the Netherlands has a fitting hedge, like at least 40 by 40, maximum 65 by 65, answer me and just drop a comment or write me an email. The email is down in the description, because then I can start this project. I also will do a hedge where the bulkhead is right now, but that's a project for way later. So yeah, that's all for today.